Alrighty, I'm Wyatt Runholtz. This is discussion number 5 for ICT Analytics. Going to be talking in chapter 19 this week, talking about behavior, and more specifically, I'll be talking about content experiments. This is a pretty important topic for most websites when it comes to improving conversion rates and such. So, content experiments allow you to run tests to improve your website. This is mostly tests just to help improve conversion rate if you have a particular goal. But this is, to help overall usability and just improve your overall website by running these content experiments. A lot of companies do it nowadays. So, and it mentions that you can use A and B tests using Google Analytics. That is where one group of people would get website A and one group of people would get website B, and you kind of compare the results between the two. So look through that and see how that goes in terms of improving your content. There are some steps that you should take and you should follow if you are going to do some content experiments. So steps are: you identify the page as a test, pick a page. You can't just pick every page, obviously. You got to pick a page, test it out. It's a lot of work to test every page. So it's always good to develop a hypothesis. And pretty much anything you learned that way back in the day, hypotheses are super important, and important in this scenario as well. Create different variations of your test. Not one test, just going to one test isn't going to always be the same or the best idea, I guess, in this case. So then develop the page and place the code in, preview it, go ahead and launch, and then analyze your data. Again, you're not always going to net positive results from doing these conversion or these content experiments. But it's always a good test to see if what you're doing on your website currently is working and if you can do it even better. So, content experience is super important in improving your conversion rates on your website.